Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Loving Area. So today we are going to start with the topic sound words of O, the fourth topic of vowels, as we have completed sound words of A, E, I in our previous videos. Now coming to the next topic, sound words of O. So here are some words of sound words of O along with the pictures. Let's have a look on the words. First is B O X, box. Next P O P, pop. C O T, cot. M O P, mop. F O X, fox. P O T, pot. H O P, hop. L O G, log. D O G, dog. Now here are some phonetics words. Here we will come to know the correct pronunciation of these words. So first phonetic is OB, ob. And how we will pronounce these words? Let's have a look on the words. C O B, cob. G O B, gob. J O B, job. L O B, lob. M O B, mob. R O B, rob. S O B, sob. Next pronunciation is OG, og. So let's have a look on the words, how we will pronounce these words. B O G, bog. C O G, cog. D O G, dog. F O G, fog. H O G, hog. J O G, jog. L O G, log. Next pronunciation is of OP, op. So first word is C O P, cop. H O P, hop. M O P, mop. P O P, pop. T O P, top. Next pronunciation is of OT, ot. So we will pronounce these words like this. C O T, cot. D O T, dot. G O T, got. H O T, hot. J O T, jot. L O T, lot. N O T, not. P O T, pot. R O T, rot. T O T, tot. Next pronunciation is of OX, ox. So we will pronounce these words like this: B O X, box. F O X, fox. P O X, pox. M O M, mom. R O D, rod. These are some extra words just to know that how we will pronounce the words ending with M and D. So now by this picture we already come to know the pronunciation of so many phonetic words. So in the next image we are having one exercise related to sound words of O. So let's have a look what we have to do in this exercise. Question is, say the name of each picture in the box. Circle the name of each picture. Remember, each name will have the long O sound. So we have to circle the correct word of the picture. First we will recognize the picture and then we will circle the name of the picture. And remember, it should contain O, sound word of O. So first is C O M B, comb, or C R U M B, crumb. What is the picture? It is the picture of comb. So we will circle comb. Next, the picture is of goal. So let's see the spelling of goal. G-O-A-L, goal, or G-O-N-E, gone. The correct spelling of goal is G-O-A-L. So we will circle the goal. The next picture, we can see one picture and I think this is the picture of ghost. So let's see the spelling of ghost. Is it G-R-A-M, gram, or G-H-O-S-T, ghost? Yes, the correct spelling of ghost is G-H-O-S-T, ghost. So we will circle it. Next, the picture is of toad. So what is the correct spelling of toad? T-U-B, tub, or T-O-A-D, toad? Yes, the correct spelling of toad is T-O-A-D. So we will circle it. Next, O-A-R, or O-T-T-E-R, otter. The correct spelling of the picture is O-A-R, or. So we will circle it. Next, S-T-A-R, star, or S-T-O-R-E, store. What is the picture? It is the picture of store. So we will circle the spelling of store. Next, B-O-N-E, bone, and the next is B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. What is the picture? The picture is of bone. So we will circle it. Next, R-O-O-M, room, R-O-P-E, rope. The picture is of rope. So correct spelling of rope is R-O-P-E. We will circle it. Next, P-O-U-R, pour, P-O-P, pop. So what is the picture? The picture is of pour. So correct spelling of pour is P-O-U-R, pour, and we will circle it. Next, C-L-O-W-N, clown, or C-O-R-E, core. The picture is of core of the apple. So we will circle it, and the correct spelling of core is C-O-R-E. Next, V-O-T-E, vote, or V-A-T, vat. The picture is of vote. So we will circle the spelling of vote. That is V-O-T-E. Next, stone stone or stock stock. The picture is of a big stone. So the correct spelling of stone is stone stone. So we will circle it. So thank you so much. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on it and subscribe our channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos.